If you're looking for a pixie, I have a new launch from Ellen Wille. This is a wig called Chat. We're going to chat about it because it is something I think that if you're a pixie lover, if you have gray hair, silver hair, blonde hair, whatever color, it comes in so many wonderful colors, you're going to want to see this. So you stay here and let me show you everything about this new Chat from Ellen Wille. Let's just go ahead and look at the inside of it. This is wefted. It has also these really wonderful, I'm getting there close, it's these cool tabs. It's a new type of material that they're using in the ear tabs and in the nape. And what that does, see the nape, see the little bitty holes in there, the waffling of it, that is so that it's sweat wicking, so it pulls sweat away from your face. So I think that's going to be great in hot weather, but for us menopausal, premenopausal, postmenopausal, you know, that's going to be something that you might just be looking for. And I love this because this is year round. So it's short, pixie for the summer, fall, winter, when we start wearing all of our scarves. So let's talk about this because see how tightly those wefts are sewn just one right after the other. I'm going to show you when I put it on. It makes a difference and how they created this particular look. That when I took it out of the box, I was absolutely stunned at the texture and how it looked. It also has a extended lace front so that you're going to be able to spike that up away from your face. I love this. Okay, first of all, let's put it on. So dip your head in, pull it back, grab those ear tabs, pull them and position it in place. Then I like to grab it and make sure you've got, I need that 4 fingers. It's the most natural look for most people. It just depends on if you're shorter than 4. Okay, look at that. This is called Platinum Blonde Rooted. And I love it because the rooting is more subtle. It's a softer, goldeny brown. And I think it just gives this a ton of dimension. So it's not a flat looking cut, right? Which is difficult to get when you're this short, when it's this short. But look at that. This fits so close. Let me turn around for you. If it's so close to the head, just shapes to your hair. Now this is petite average, so keep that in mind. Let me turn to the back. It's very close and just hugs the head. So pixie lovers, what do you think out there? Tell me what you're thinking when you're seeing me try it on. Now what I like, this is what I was talking about, those tight weftings sewn through here. What I like about that is that they were able, because of that, to really get a kind of like a razor cut pixie. You know, the kind that if you wanted this. Now I've had pixie hair. You've probably seen me in the past where I cut my hair all off and had it really short like this. I liked it, but couldn't do anything with it, you know, because if you're trying to get this and to get the shape of your hair to do this, you're gonna use a lot of styling product and wax and everything else to try and get this type of texture. But it's cut so that there's different links in the fibers in the hair up there. And because of that, you get a really great texturized looking pixie that you'd go to Vidal Sassoon or Tony and Guy's and spend the big money. And if it was colored like this, it wouldn't last long because your hair grows out pretty quick. In a pixie, it shows up even faster. So get yourself a pixie like this because then you're going to be able to have perfect pixie hair days every day of the week. And maybe you've been thinking of cutting your hair in a pixie, but just wasn't brave enough to do it or scared or didn't want the commitment. Get a pixie. You can see how perfectly real this looks. See that hairline I was talking about? See that? So, you know, if you're afraid that, oh, well, if the wind blows up, are they going to see that hairline? They're going to see that. and they're just going to believe that that is your real hair. This is the Platinum Blonde Rooted. It does come, for those of my subscribers that like silver and grays, they do have that. Comes in different colors. And but I think this was a really, I like this. You know, I don't always want to be gray. I am gray, bio gray, but I really enjoy mixing it up and having different colors with different outfits. For me, it's now become a fashion. We've made it normal. Keep making it normal. When you wear a wig, it's normal. It's normal. It doesn't mean that for those you ladies, you know, some of us are forced into it because of sickness and any kind of disease or alopecia, cancer. There's sometimes where you're forced to wear a wig and you have something out there for you. But my friends out there that maybe you've got the little bit of balding, it's so thin on the top like me, it's just too embarrassing to want people to see that. You can't really cover it up unless you put lots of sprays and powders and product. We don't want to do that. I don't want to do that anymore. I don't want chemicals on my scalp anymore. I just want the confidence and the fun. Fun, ladies, it's fun to wear wigs. I promise you, it's so much fun that you're going to get into. The first time you put one of these on, it's not going to feel normal because you haven't been wearing one. But every day you wear one, every time you change a wig, every time time passes, you will get to where you don't want to be without it. I don't want to be without a wig. I'm telling you, I love my wigs. I love the confidence. I love the way they make me feel. And I love the response I get from people that just want to say, oh, what a great color. Where did you get your hair done? Or where did you get your hair cut? Or, you know, oh, your hair is so pretty. You'll love it, right? Okay, I promise you'll love it. So reach out to me if there's anything that you have concerns or worries about. I'll talk to you about it. I'll chat with you. Just contact me through mails.b.ageless@gmail.com. Yeah, I'll give you my email because you're more than welcome to reach out to me if you want to set up a Zoom call or something. We can do that. I'll send the details of how to do that so we can chat and I can help you along, hopefully, on your journey as well. So this is Chat, C-H-A-T. It's from Ellen Wille. And I have those shopping products where it's easy just to tap it and go and see the details and see what kind of discount they're offering. So be sure and hit that under shop. You'll see it right in the video. Products, right? That's right in this video. Just tap on that and it'll take you to Chat, C-H-A-T, from Ellen Wille. And my friends, reach out to me if you need me. I'm always here doing my darlings. Bye.